Meaning of ice pick.
Ice pick.
Ice pick.
Ice pick.
Ice pick. An ice pick is a tool used for breaking or chipping away at ice, often with a sharp, pointed end. It can also refer to a specific type of injury caused by a sharp, pointed object penetrating the skull, resembling the shape of an ice pick. This injury can result in severe damage to the brain and potentially be life-threatening. Additionally, the term ice pick can be used metaphorically to describe something sharp and piercing, such as a person's words or a particularly intense pain or sensation.